the highway. See where we at right now. We are going into Michigan, man. Yeah, that's right. Let me turn this air down right quick, man. Let y'all know we are on the road again, man. I was just on the road last night. 4-hour trip to Chicago or Joliet. Hold on right quick, guys. Put this cruise control on. Joliet, Illinois, you know what I'm saying? Outside of Chicago, you feel me? When I picked up the car and 4-hour drive there and back, and I'm back on the road again this morning, about to be 11 o'clock to Detroit, man. As y'all see in the title, back to Certified Customs, man. Y'all know that is. That's Cal SRT shop. We going there to install a kill switch, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, and then the neutral strap, all that crap. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do all that. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, we heading up there right now as we speak, man. So I just literally text the number this morning, probably like around 10 o'clock. I texted him like, hey, I'm trying to get this installed, and he was like, hey, bring it down. I'm like, all right, cool, I'm coming. So that's where we at right now. So next clip, you'll probably see me sliding, pulling up to the shop, and then little install, you know what I'm saying? So I'm heading back to the crib. Car filthy as hell right now, dirty as hell. Got a lot of salt, debris, salt dust. Got a lot of tire throwback from the, what they call it. I can't think what it's called, the Armor All. So the car filthy right now, man. But yeah, be rolling though, man. So stay tuned, man. Next clip, man. My boys.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right.
All right, man, we back, man. Car's done. He did this probably about 30 minutes, man. So as y'all can see, car is running right now. You feel me? Car running. You know what I'm saying? Right now I can't turn it off. You know what I'm saying? And as you see, the run position is not lit. So let me go ahead and activate, turn off the kill switch. And we are back on, man. That's right, man. So we did a great job, man. Cal, man, real quick, you know what I'm saying? Hey, come up here and get your shit done, but we got to go ahead and wash this car right quick. And like I said, you see how filthy it is. See how filthy it is. It's on seat. Nasty. Clean. drag radios. My tires is coming too, man. I ordered those before I even left the dealership when I bought it. Dirty. We're gonna do a quick rinse off and then get on the road and get back to Toledo, man. We're gonna get it washed, dried up. I just wanna rinse it off though, for sure. A big 392 300C, man. Limited edition, boy.
Young Nab, baby.